Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
This is Uruj Ashfaq.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No edits.
Basically, we have a sneeze leaderboard now, which is every episode, at some point during the episode, you have to sneeze once, only once. But you get points based on timing, loudness,
and physicality. Yeah.
So these three metrics, we'll give you points.
Okay.
And then there'll be a leaderboard later on. And so just once you have to sneeze.
Okay.
And then it used
Fake
to
sneeze, yeah.
Fake sneeze, of
Yeah,
course.
of course.
We don't
Yeah.
need you to
But
catch
is it like people don't notice it, or it's just how great the sneeze was?
Explosiveness.
Honestly, have fun with it. We'll just
Yeah.
the point is, if you surprise us, then you get good points.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
Okay, on a scale of 10, we'll give points on three metrics, and then there'll be a leaderboard of all the guests who've been on, and you'll always be wherever you are on that list.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's not our leaderboard is. You'll always be
I mean,
first prize.
you can always
I
come
could
back.
move
and,
up if some people keep doing worse.
Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
how. Like that's
That's
the
what-
idea.
That's the whole idea.
And then people will come again, so
And
they'll get
if
to
you
redeem
miss, if you
themselves.
forget doing it, you're
Yeah.
at zero. If you
Aiyo.
forget doing a sneeze before small
Which is
talk,
don't feel bad because there are already people who have forgotten.
But that's the rules. So
yeah,
what to
those
do?
are the rules.
Yeah,
and we
such
will
is
tell you
life.
also
The
so that you
stakes-
feel very bad. So you feel very bad. We
Yeah,
say-
no, it's
the
fair
stakes
enough.
are
Yeah.
low but also high if you really care.
No,
Yeah.
I care. I care about it. I want to
Perfect. This is
wanna win.
perfect. Now you know. Awesome.
I just checked out of Trident.
Oh yeah, you were staying in the Trident. Insane.
What were you doing in the Trident?
Staying?
Well, like, just like that?
No.
Is that
it
your
was
hotel of
obviously
choice?
Not paid by me.
Went there to take a dump.
Went there.
That used to be a thing. You could just go to a hotel, use the facilities and leave.
Really?
And it stopped being as easy to do because of 2611.
Really?
Yeah, because the hotel security obviously got
What
ramped
they
up.
scan and they find out.
They scan and they find the shit in you. No, they are.
Like, damn, what's here?
You could just walk into hotels earlier. Just walk in with no
Ah, true,
security
true, true,
earlier.
true.
And after 2611, they became more vigilant.
Malls,
Yeah.
hotels,
Yeah,
everywhere. Yeah.
Dude, crazy. We were like going into Trident with a cab, me and my humble Swift Desire, going in, and one car cut. And I was like, what the hell? I saw MH1 number plate.
The first car of
Yeah,
Maharashtra.
it's your road, boys.
But was it also Swift Desire?
no,
That would have been
It was one
nice.
of those big cars which I don't know the names of.
I think Swift Desire, it can't enter the Trident. There's like a force field. It just doesn't enter. It just hits it and
Where
comes
is
out.
the Trident?
It's Kolaba.
this place.
Next to NCPA.
Diamond
That's very
Point.
fancy.
Yeah.
Now
Dude,
I
it
know
is-
which one you're
It
talking
is
about.
so sad because obviously, like, I don't belong there, right? So I go there and I want to eat something. I check in-room dining.
10,000.
Hummus bowl is like 2K,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And I was like, I don't want to have this. I thought
Yeah.
I'd order from Swiggy, but then I was thinking, okay, I have to go
Go
down
down.
and get it.
Bring one theli of chole.
Subway, Subway
Chole
packet. I'm like,
into
it's
that.
me only. And then
Yeah.
I have to dress up to go down.
Yeah.
Because you can't go down in shorts and all those things. So I ordered in-room dining.
What did
That's
you
how they
eat
get
and
you.
how much
Hummus
was
bowl, 2,000
Oh,
rupees.
God.
And then I went outside for dinner and had a Nino burger. from
Nino.
Nino.
Yeah. Did you not go to Pizza by the Bay?
Oh, yeah, that is nearby.
It's
Yeah.
expensive, but it's good. It's I mean, it's iconic. I don't know if it's good.
I went to college in that area, so we used to go to Pizza by the Bay
Which college
as like
is this?
a Jai Hind
Jai Hind.
college,
Jai Hind.
where we were like, it was a big treat then because
Yeah,
you
right?
had like limited
Oh.
cash, and so
Yeah.
you were like, oh my god, we're going to Pizza by the Bay today. We would be really excited.
I've never
And
been.
now as an adult,
That's a breakfast
joy
place
is
also,
gone.
right?
it's sorry,
It's good for breakfast, right? That's
I never had breakfast.
No,
I had
it's
lunchtime
evening.
pizza.
Oh, okay.
I've never been. I've passed it a lot, and recently I was like, okay, today I'll go. But there's too many people. It's tough to get a seat on a weekend. It's impossible.
Yeah.
Dude, Mumbai.
What is that ice cream place? You know, the ice cream sandwich place. KK Rustam. KK Rustam.
Rustam ji, that is a.
I think I've had the ice cream
K.
sandwich
Rustam and Co.
also.
Something like that.
Gaylord's is also there.
Yeah, Gaylord's.
They
It's
ha-
a famous restaurant.
What do you want to say, Gautam? You want to say something?
What?
It's a famous restaurant.
say something about
Gaylord's.
What do
Gaylord's?
they sell? Popsicles?
Yeah.
No.
It's a bakery.
Yeah, bakery. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Cream bun. Yeah.
Gaylord's looks like a badass place. I've never
Yeah?
been. Yeah.
Go to Gaylord's next time you're in Trident.
I don't think I'll be going there. This is just for a show. I was like put up over there.
Corporate?
But I used to stay, yeah, corporate. But I used to, when I came here for internship, I stayed in Wilson College hostel.
Oh,
Is
was
that
it
your
okay?
enemy?
It was, I mean, it was horrible, but like whatever, right? Like I was earning money because of
Yeah.
internship, and I was staying there.
Yeah.
So Mumbai has this man. They
We-
have vegetarian restaurants with beer.
Yeah.
Oh, that combo is
ideal
rare.
restaurant,
Yeah.
cafe ideal or something is there.
Yes, yes.
Oh, is
Yeah.
that a problem? You don't get that everywhere?
You don't get that everywhere. Where do you get vegetarian restaurants and beer?
I didn't know this,
Yeah.
but that seems like a very forward-thinking mindset.
It's a good. This one. I think it's
It's a
good.
very.
It's not religion based. This is like diet choice based. Like
It's
It's
little
a
bit
morality
religion.
based.
Yeah. It's Jainish, I think.
I think they have to
I
pay
think
rent, so they have to sell
Jains.
alcohol.
Okay, you're saying Jains are alcoholics. That's what you're saying.
Whoa.
Let the
Shit.
news.
New reel. New reel. Cut the reel.
Jains just keep ordering Jain sandwich and whiskey.
Yeah, Jain beer.
There is no
Jain
Jain
Fisher.
whiskey.
Jain Fisher and Jain
Jen
sandwich.
Fisher.
Diary of Jain.
Yeah.
But
We looked down on Wilson College to
Yeah?
the point where we were like, they're not even our enemy. Like,
But they're good location.
Interesting.
Opposite Chowpatty.
no, they have a good location, but like,
where's Jai Hind exactly?
Jai Hind is in A Road.
A
Jai Hind is also
A Road.
Jai Hind is also
What
not
is
the real good college is Xavier's, where people who are smart go,
Yeah.
and everyone else is competing for second place.
Okay.
Oh, is it? That? But Jai Hind's also pretty
It's
like,
mostly just like rich kids.
Ah.
It's not
Who are famous alumnus
Yeah.
other than you from Jai Hind?
Rohan Joshi, Sapan
Yes.
Verma.
Oh, yeah,
Okay,
I've seen
like,
y'all have done a podcast
Move out
together.
of the
I've seen.
industry. Apart from the industry.
Outside
any
our
movie?
industry.
Movies, yeah, I don't know. I think maybe Dino Moria. I'm not sure.
I think Disha Patni sounds like she's some
She probably went to HR. She feels like a HR girl.
Hansraj. That's in Delhi, right?
No, I don't
That's
know.
here only.
I don't know what HR is called here.
Hansraj.
I know it's HR and KC, but I don't know their full
KC.
form.
Hansraj is Delhi.
Hansraj
That's
is
where-
DU.
Is that where Shah Rukh went?
I don't know.
I'm forgetting.
Shahrukh went to
Shah Rukh went to good
went-
college. Shah Rukh was quite.
Stephens.
He's from quite a privileged background, despite what the narrative
Yeah.
is around. him.
Really?
Like,
Yeah.
He had a tough
Entry
entry
into Bollywood.
relative to others.
Yeah.
That's very important. Relative to others.
But he didn't have a tough life, you're saying.
No,
No.
not at all.
But
I mean, he was in a good school, a good college. Everything
Yeah.
was sorted.
I don't think he's Stephens though.
He's not Stephens.
He's not
Stephens, but he's from a good. I'll
Stephens
look it
has
up.
crazy alumni.
Yeah,
They
It's
have
not, I think
General Ziaul Haq.
Oh, wow! What did he do afterwards? I didn't hear much about. Imagine calling yourself a general.
Yeah, that's what his name in college also. No, his name was General Ziaul Haq.
General Ziaulak present, sir. Imagine your final military rank is how they call you. So, what did you study in
psychology.
psychology? How many years degree is that?
3 years, BA in psychology.
Crazy.
Then I just did. But
Is there a specialization?
in the third year, all your subjects are psychology.
Huh.
In the first 2 years, it's random. So I did eco, pol science, philosophy. And then the third year was all psychology, cognitive development, abnormal. Abnormal psychology was really fun. That's where Sumaira was my college friend.
Ah.
Oh.
Is my college friend. And that's where we...
That just sounded so weird.
Yeah.
No, that sounded weird. You're like abnormal psychology. That's obviously where I met Sumaira. But is there honors also in that? You do honors?
No, there's no
3
honors.
years.
Is there? Because I didn't do it. What do you... How,
I don't know, in these pure science or like I'm
Yeah.
engineer, so engineer brain very limited to what we experience. But I've
Yeah.
heard like people do degrees and then they do degrees with honors,
Yeah,
whatever
yeah,
that
yeah,
is,
yeah.
which is
Max
an extra
honors.
Yeah, extra year or extra
Yeah.
something. I
No
don't
one
know.
offered us this honors option.
Yeah.
We just
no
did the
honor.
regular degree.
Just dishonorable pass.
Why didn't they tell us we
But
could do
is
honors?
this the entry level? This one for therapy? The
yeah.
course?
A BA is like if you want to become a therapist.
Hmm.
But if you want to become a psychiatrist, then you do like a medical.
Oh, yeah.
Then
Yeah.
there's another thing on. But you do
MBBS.
this and then do that.
This you do, then you can become a therapist. You
Yeah.
could become like an HR person. You could you could work with kids, for developmental psychology. Hey, you guys don't change your clothes in between episodes.
We did, yeah.
We
What are you
changed
saying?
it.
We
God?
were changed when you showed up.
Oh,
We were
sorry,
already
sorry.
Every day,
What the hell?
every time we record one podcast.
What do you want
only.
us to change mid-episode? She's like, you don't change every 10 minutes.
I'm sorry.
So that's how our chapters are.
Yeah.
It's just from our shirts. Like 10 minutes later, the
Quickly.
new shirt. That's incredible wardrobe requirement.
TY.
Oh my God.
Wow. Should I hide their brand logo?
No,
Please,
no problem.
If they want to sponsor us, they are allowed to.
House of
Chaat and Chai.
House of Chaat and Chai.
Yeah.
That's a long, cumbersome title. Thank you so much.
Chai, overrated.
Oh my God. What the
Chai is basically just a vehicle for sugar.
He's saying chai is overrated. Why? You
it's
can
a-
have chai without sugar.
Is that without sugar?
I don't know.
No,
Probably
it's
not.
not.
Yeah, it's not.
I
Definitely not.
usually have it without sugar
Same,
though.
same. I have chai without sugar.
Yeah. What do you prefer?
Coffee. Big coffee guy.
So you're like a Western kind of person, and we're rooted. We're rooted people.
But
What?
actually, in the south,
You're Chinese.
in the south, coffee is
No,
popular.
I would be if I loved opium.
Opium. I mean, yeah.
Haven't
but
you heard of the Great
opium,
Tea
which they
Wars?
bought
The
from,
Chinese love opium
yeah, which they bought from us, by the way.
and gave us chai instead.
Yeah, who won that trade?
A drug for a drug.
We got more alert and they became relaxed.
I love this online narrative where people will be like, if you like chai, then you're more Indian. If you like coffee, then
Yeah,
like you can
Western.
like signal who you are. Like
yeah. If you like chai, you're a cat person. If you like coffee, you're a dog person. Some bullshit.
Yeah?
No, I'm saying.
Okay, you said it, okay.
I'm saying it sounds like someone would believe
Oh,
that. Someone would find a.
sometimes there's like this random association of an object with a value system,
Yeah.
and I always find it very like funny when that
Yeah,
happens.
yeah,
Where you're
yeah.
like, they're tricking you. Like they're just
Exactly.
behaving a certain
There's
way.
no study that proves this at all conclusively.
No.
But it's like you believe it until you know better.
True.
Basically. Because it's also, by the way,
Hmm.
we've spoken in a recent episode about something Uruj is very passionate about.
What is it?
And I've been dying to bring this. We've spoken about this many times, but to do it on air is what a privilege to finally, I'll have to tell you. So Uruj is big into astrology, all right?
Oh!
Huge into it, into the zodiac sign. And this is how much she's into it. She said to me once, I'll guess your zodiac sign. All right? And guess how many guesses she took?
12.
It's almost impossible to take 12 guesses. The 12th guess, she got it right, which is incredible.
It was me, Pavitra, and Shamik in
Yeah.
my house.
Yeah.
And I was so... they both kept losing their mind. Like, every
Yeah.
time I wouldn't get it.
every wrong guess, I'm like, statistics are going crazy right now. And this she forgot. She's like, what is there? I've said all. At one time, she's like, I've said all of them. There are none left.
I forgot Aquarius.
Yeah.
I don't have many Aquarians in my life. You're like one of the first ones.
man.
What are the traits of an Aquarian?
Yeah,
I
let's-
don't
let's-
know. It's whatever Shamik is.
You can say that.
You're an
correctly.
air sign, right?
Yes.
He's an air sign.
I breathe air. You guys, water. You breathe water.
I'm Gemini. What is Gemini?
Oh, my dad is Gemini.
Okay. I mean, am I supposed
You
to
are
be?
you moody?
I mean, isn't everybody moody?
No. I'm
Absolutely
asking
not.
you.
Never.
You are flaky.
Flaky, as in I have dandruff.
He is.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. You need head
Remember,
and shoulders.
girls. Girls, remember this. He is flaky. Why do you think he's single?
Yeah, my worst PR possible.
And I am anal.
You're.
What is
Moody,
that?
flaky, and
I've never
anal.
heard of that zodiac sign. Wait, which one are you? You're a
Virgo.
Virgo.
Yeah, we are.
V for Virgo.
V for Virgo.
The sequel to Vendetta.
You're both air signs.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not always a
That's
good
why
thing.
we never talk in the swimming pool. Because it's a water environment. It's just weird for two air
Yeah, we
signs.
get up and talk and then go back down.
You're a what sign?
Earth.
Earth, yeah. So
sign.
you, yeah.
And you can tell when you
Yeah.
see me.
That's why
Yeah,
when you
you're
go to
like
I'm giving Earth.
a
when you
daughter
go-
of the soil.
when you go underground,
Yeah.
underground comedy club and all, you're better in that environment because you're
Yes.
Earth. You're inside the Earth at that time.
J Spot is where I do my hardest skills.
That's right.
Only below the habitat. Above the habitat, you bomb. Below the habitat, you
Oh my,
destroy.
I
There's
really
a
bomb in
pet-
above.
I don't know.
It's a harder route.
Oh, we are air signs. We can do above
Yeah,
the
only
habitat.
above the habitat we can do.
And you have a pet mole.
Oh yeah, a pet mole.
You like
A mole.
carrot? Do you like carrot?
I
Below-
love carrot.
There you go.
I could never be Jane.
Yeah, Jains would
Yeah.
never talk. Hey, what if a Jain is an earth sign, which they have to be statistically? They must be like, I reject my zodiac sign because
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
not
sure.
from the earth.
They have to choose one.
This is probably the dumbest conversation.
Yes, that's the whole point.
I wish Gautam hadn't told me. I wish I tried to guess his zodiac sign. Should I try to
no.
guess Antariksh zodiac
Yeah,
sign?
okay, guess Antariksh zodiac sign. Let's look at him. Okay, first tell me. Let's see how you deduce it. Is he air, water, or whatever, heart?
So
Whatever.
see, this is a party game
Captain
we've
Planet.
done before.
Yeah, yeah.
It starts with
You have one question. She has one go-to question, which I don't know how.
What,
When
Don't
is your
ask it.
birthday?
No, it's some plant-related
do
thing.
you feel a connection to plants?
Do you feel a connection to plants?
Yes or no?
Yes is what he said.
Okay. Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I think introvert.
You think introvert and you feel a connection to plants. Do you feel like you're an ambivert?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me something. With your experience of working with Antariksh,
Yeah.
do you think he's very organized or he's chaotically organized?
Ooh.
Oh, good question. I think
He's organized.
only.
Organized.
So he's very linear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, everything happens in one
Sure,
way. Yes.
sure.
Okay. Would you say it's easy to converse with him and
Yeah.
like?
Why are you asking when he's in the room? Give
He'll
you real
obviously say
feedback.
yes.
Yeah, okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Antariksh,
Let's go. Drum roll. We'll add a drum roll here.
are you a Piscean?
Oh, okay. Just 11 more to go. That's the whole episode.
Antariksh, what date were you born?
You know what? Take one more guess. If you get it wrong, we'll continue the episode. We'll come back to it. This
Yeah,
is like throughout the episode,
We'll
we'll
try to
keep
guess.
guessing.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to ask one more question.
Yeah, go for it.
Are you a dreamer or do you daydream a lot or you're like planning more? You're daydreaming. Are you an Aquarian?
Okay, stop.
Okay, two guesses. I'm not Aquarian, not Piscean.
With
One water, one air.
Yeah, though Aquarian is a water bearer, it's an air sign. Yeah, this is the.
yeah.
It's sad that I know this information, but I know it because my mother has taught me all of this shit.
Yeah, we discussed this at
Yeah,
the fringe.
yeah.
Your mum is
It's
also.
huge. I mean,
like-
whose mom isn't into like zodiac? Like, that's their whole thing.
Yeah,
right?
my mom big AstroTalk power
Because they
user.
can't understand their children, they need the zodiac.
Yeah.
I get it.
Wow. That's sad.
It's the truth. It's
can't understand the
you can't
children.
handle the truth.
It's basically pop psychology. It's fun.
Yeah.
Zodiac is pop psychology. All those BuzzFeed quizzes, what kind of pizza are you
Yeah.
and everything. It's all like pop psychology.
Do you have that app? What that thing app called?
Co-Star.
Co-Star.
I have Co-Star.
You
I
have
also have
Co-Star?
Nebula, where I talk to a
Nebula?
tarot card reader.
I don't know Nebula, but Co-Star is like.
Yeah, she's.
Yeah, it's like the flow app for your mind.
Did I make you download it?
No, you had asked me.
I'd asked
Yeah, I have not downloaded
Yeah.
it.
He waited me for a month. We were in the same house.
Yeah, I'm like, no.
I'm like, sorry, I'm busy.
That's a classic Aquarius who doesn't download the zodiac sign,
Yeah.
right? You don't know Abraham Lincoln? Have you heard of him?
Abraham Lincoln.
Yeah.
You keep bringing him
You
up
have
as
heard
a
of
fellow.
Charles Darwin?
Oh my God.
You
What
heard-
is
You
Abraham
heard of
Lincoln?
Lawrence Bishnoi?
Hey.
And me, all four born the same day.
Yeah? Oh, man.
Tomorrow.
Who said this? That's so
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, tomorrow's your birthday. Hey,
What?
man.
Shamik.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
I'll be long into my next year by the time this comes out.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Everyone comment happy
You were about
birthday,
to say
Shamik.
the age,
I
right?
never say my age. I'm like, I'm of age. That's all that matters. Do you like to celebrate your birthday, or do you like to like be alone on your birthday? What is your how do you approach birthdays?
I actually don't. Like genuinely,
Yeah.
I used to be very excited about
Yeah.
my birthday, and then the older I got, I was like, "ठीक है, सबका birthday आता है."
Correct.
So that it depends on how that year is going. To be quite
It's a
honest,
subjective
yeah.
thing. The days leading up to that birthday.
Because
how
if
you're
my
feeling.
self-esteem is low that year, then I'm like, I don't deserve a birthday. If I
You don't
have,
deserve a birthday.
you will get one whether you like it or not.
I don't deserve joy, a cake.
Okay, interesting.
How do you guys feel about your birthdays?
I do not.
Nothing.
I want
Alone.
to be. I'm not on earth on my birthday.
Yeah.
I don't exist.
You want to just disappear?
Disappear.
Yeah.
I want to. It's like I'm reenacting my before I was born. I go back to the womb on my bed. Like
And are you the same?
It's like butterfly effect last scene, no? You go into.
are you? What do
No,
you?
no,
do?
I'm very.
There was
I'm
an-
actually very annoyed on my birthday.
Why
I'm
is
also
it?
very
Because
annoyed.
I mean, at least but like because people want to do things around you, people want to do things, and it's just like I have to put up like a.
So you don't want to
face.
receive love on your birthday?
No,
Absolutely.
Do you guys have trouble receiving love in
on
general?
any day it's a problem.
Yeah. I think when I was in a relationship, it is fine. I will just be with whoever I'm in a relationship with on my birthday.
But how?
that
like,
much I
but
can do.
wouldn't they want to celebrate, and wouldn't that be a little overbearing?
Yeah, that's been a problem where I've been like, I don't want to do anything.
Yeah.
I just want to be like, we can go for a meal and
Yeah.
chill, but nothing else.
Do you receive love in your friendships, love and care?
Are you trying to guess my zodiac? You know it already.
I'm just trying to psychoanalyze you.
Do you receive? What's the question?
Are you able to receive love and friendship? In friendships, if somebody does something that's very
Yeah.
sweet, very
Yeah.
nice.
Yes.
There is sometimes for people who have little trouble receiving love, there is a part of them that's a little eked out by it
Yes.
also.
Yeah.
Do you guys feel it?
Yeah.
Of course, of
Okay.
course. I have a huge problem.
It's
with it.
changing
I'm
though.
just
For
saying-
me, it's changing.
Okay. It's changing. With age, it's like
Yeah.
that thing called mellowing is happening.
Yeah.
I can feel it. And
Little
also
like gooiness. Sometimes I feel it.
because you get more into you deal with your mortality more with every passing year. You realize that we're getting
Yeah.
closer to the inevitable,
yeah.
and that does something to you.
Sometimes people get eked out in their youth, and also
Yeah.
Yeah.
sometimes boys can also feel like there's a lot of strings attached to acts of love.
Yes. Correct.
But there aren't usually.
Correct.
Yeah.
And sometimes there are, but it's nothing that can't be like spoken about, I feel. But
It's-
I think
it's
you all
peer
learn
pressure.
it little later, if I
It's
may.
mostly peer
no,
pressure.
you must. It's
Yeah.
true. Our whatever frontal cortex firstly develops only by 25, and then now they're saying it's
30.
still 30.
30.
Yeah. So
I turned 30 last year, and everyone said now your prefrontal cortex.
there is
Okay.
nothing science will come up with that I have not already turned that age though. I'm past all of that. They can't be like, actually 45 is when you're an adult
Yeah.
finally. Then I'll be like, yes.
And then
I'll,
you'll hear all
I'll eat a
this-
lollipop immediately. I'll be
You'll
like,
hear all
"Yeah."
this in Peter Attia and all say that,
Yeah.
okay, after 30, your body is actually dying.
It's
every day.
dying.
You're like, oh.
Yeah, every day your cells are like, oh.
I thought my body just developed. Now
Yeah,
it's
so
dying
there's-
already.
There's no plateau. It's like you grow and then you die.
Yeah,
That's
it's
how
like
it-
the rest of our lives we are fighting our own bodies.
Yes. Okay, guess his horoscope.
Yeah, two
Oh,
more
okay.
guesses.
Fun
So
time.
far you've done Aquarius, Piscean. Antriksh is neither of those. Let's go.
Okay. You would you say you're sensitive?
No.
Would you say that you're brash? Would you say it?
Then
Andresh?
you're Charlie XCX.
That's brat.
That's brat. It's not brash summer, it's brat summer.
Come on. That's the
You're-
blue background one was Brash
You're,
Summer.
you're so Julia.
This one's for all my mean girls. Blunt and brash. You're blunt and brash.
Let me say something. When you ask someone, are you brash? And instead of saying no, they say, that's a yes. All right?
Yeah, that's fair. Are you a Taurian?
Taurus. Oh, 3. We're slowly progressing towards the inevitable.
No!
One more guess. Take one more.
One more.
Fourth.
Yeah, take one more.
2 at a time.
I want to beat Shamik
Let
so
your,
bad.
let your bad guess have a partner in crime.
Okay. Are you... I haven't done a fire sign yet. Are you a Scorpio?
Oh!
Sorry, Scorpio is
It's done.
water
It's
sign.
done,
It's
yeah.
water sign.
Scorpions
Save it.
water.
It's water. They're water sign.
They don't swim, right? Scorpions?
No, there's no. like I'm
Okay,
saying,
there's no connection.
Water bearer. I'm water bearer.
Yeah, but you're a water bearer on, like, you're taking water
Air.
and going on land, right? So that's that makes
Oh,
sense.
so you're seeing a logic there.
Yeah.
There's no air connection. Where's
Yeah,
air?
What is the air? Air
breathes
is
it.
anyone. There is no bird in any of the any
no
of the
phoenix.
signs.
Phoenix
Also,
and sun.
I hate the Chinese. Okay, so we've done
The
4
year of
guesses.
4.
We'll come
So
back.
now over.
We'll come back to this.
Gone. Yeah.
I'm
year of.
born in the year of the snake, which is not ideal.
Last year was your year.
Yeah, my year. This year is not my year.
What is to this year?
Horse.
Year of?
Horse.
Possum. That's a
Horse.
possum? Horse, okay.
Possum. There is no year of the possum.
I mean, how do you know?
You think if they had to choose 12 animals, one of them would be possum?
I thought it'd be like years of things they eat.
Possum
And I was like,
doesn't
okay,
make
cool,
it.
it's not that.
Possum does- So in the school I studied in, many schools I
Yeah.
studied in, but one of them, I was the youngest in the class, and that was the worst time because they taught us the Chinese New Year, Chinese sun sign. What is it? Sun signs? What is it?
Year of
Chinese year zodiac.
Chinese
whatever.
years,
Chinese zodiac.
years only.
They taught us that around
Chinese
that time.
zodiac. That's a horrible serial killer, bro.
That's when we learned about it.
Are they a lunar people, the Chinese?
Yeah.
Or are they a solar people?
They are communist.
It's true.
They're nothing I say will make the edit. They are wanton people.
Yeah.
Wanted?
They like wanton.
Yeah.
No, so we learned about the Chinese New Year thing, whatever. I keep saying Chinese New
Okay,
Year.
Chinese year. Yeah.
Chinese.
Year of the X.
Lot of edits here, Jyotin.
Yeah.
Year of the blah blah.
Huh.
And they were all 1 year older than me. And they were all born in the year of the dragon.
Whoa.
The greatest one. Even in China, that's like the big year. They celebrate extra in the year of the dragon. That's not a racist joke. That's
I know,
true.
I know. Year of the
That's
dragon is-
actually big for them. and I'm the one snake in. Imagine being one snake in a room full of dragons.
That's hard.
That's like a bad Jackie Chan movie. Snake in the dragon shadow.
Oh, I was also horse. I was year of horse.
Wow, I'm year of pig.
Pig. Well, don't travel to the Middle East.
Oh,
I've
you
told you
can
this.
travel to the Middle East.
I've said this.
You said this. Say it again.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of a funny joke
Yeah.
that a Muslim is the year born and the year of the pig.
Haram.
You're
Haram
not-
birth.
you end up hating yourself because you're born. You see the mirror, you're like, "Ah, I must not talk to this person." Pig. Yeah, you're the pig, you're the horse.
You're a
What-
snake. Can I guess?
No. Okay, cool. But you don't know which year he was born.
Do you feel like? No, please tell
You're
us.
also year of the pig, probably.
92.
I don't know.
Year of the fish. I don't know.
What are the it'll be funny if the traits of each Chinese year is just purely what the animal's traits are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, what are they? Like, you don't like to walk, you like to slither on the ground. For me.
You're the monkey.
Monkey.
Oh.
Nice.
The year of the monkey was that year in Delhi where that monkey man was attacking, if you remember.
Yeah.
You remember the monkey man? Was that a thing you remember?
What year was that?
I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to take a guess. I'm going to say 2000 and...
Ask questions and then take the guess. What did you feel? How did that year feel like?
Was
Does
that
the
year an
monkey feel
introvert?
close to plants? Yeah, all monkeys feel close to plants. 2004 or 3 is my guess.
Okay, I was not.
2001? Space Odyssey.
I was not in India, and I was in
Where
first
were you?
standard.
Where were you?
I was born in Dubai, and I was there till I was Hey,
Dubai connection.
how long
Auron.
were you? Sorry,
You're Auron.
I didn't go to Auron English High School, but I debated them.
Which school were you in?
I went to Abu Dhabi Indian School.
Addis.
In
Addis.
Dubai.
How you know Addis?
I was in IHS.
Addis Ababa. That's
Yeah.
Sudan.
Sudan. Ethiopia?
Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, so wait. This is Abu Dhabi school in
No, it's
Dubai.
not in Dubai. No, it's Abu Dhabi.
I was sorry. I was just born in Dubai hospital.
But you lived in Abu
But we
Dhabi.
lived in Abu Dhabi. Just happened to be when my mom was during labor. So
Burj Khalifa is in Dubai.
Dubai.
But Khalifa
Abu Dhabi,
is
but
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi gave the money.
Sheikh Khalifa is Abu Dhabi.
yeah,
Wiz.
Sheikh Zayed is Abu Dhabi. Sheikh Khalifa is Dubai.
Sheikh Zayed.
Okay,
Yeah.
rank in the comments the Khalifas. Burj, Sheikh, Wiz,
Mia.
and
Mia.
Mia. 4. All right, let's rank the 4 Khalifas in your preference order.
I feel a fear that has been indoctrinated into me.
Yeah.
at the jokes about the kings.
Yeah,
Oh,
no,
yeah.
yeah. It's crazy.
Yeah?
So this, I went last year I went, right? And there's this, I don't know, we'll edit if we have to.
Beep
I was
it.
I was checking into the hotel and there's one guy with me who picked me up from the airport. So outside any establishment or in the reception, they should keep the leader of UAE, which is your Abu Dhabi's leader.
Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan.
Yeah, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan he's gone. He's
I
passed.
know he's gone. We had
Yeah.
a 7-day holiday because of him.
Oh, yeah, I didn't have that. I was in
Where did
India
he
already.
Where did he move to?
He dead.
Ah.
He moved to the
Heavens.
Yeah.
Yeah, presumably,
So so you have your Nahyan family, Nahyan family, and then you have your Sheikh Mohammed, who is the leader of
MBS.
Dubai. No. That is Mohammed bin
Yeah,
Salman.
yeah,
This is
yeah.
Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Maktoum family. That is
Maktoum.
Dubai.
Okay.
Right? And then Maktoum's son, who's the crown prince of Dubai.
Yeah.
He's one Fazza. He's like one Instagram guy.
Cool guy.
He skydives and all, okay? But he's the second son, or whatever, not the eldest. The eldest passed away, rumored to have been due to some.
No, whatever.
Yeah. So I.
Give him the good gossip.
Yeah, he was like, whatever, party boy.
Got
it. He said it.
And so in the reception, we were waiting to check in. And I was like, oh, that's Fada. Oh, the first guy passed away because of. And this guy was like, and I was like, what? I was
Yeah.
like, oh.
Yeah, you don't want to
Yeah.
wake up with your head in a bucket.
Dude, you can't say nothing. So when I moved here in 2007, I felt a sense of freedom. But it was like, there are like bans on websites. There are like proper rules of what you can and cannot say. So when I came to
Interesting.
India as a 12-year-old, I was like, yaar, to kuch bhi kar sakte
That's
hain."
right.
Because I would not be able to go down to play also in Abu Dhabi, Dubai. It's not culture ki
Yeah.
society mein jaake you're playing. So after
As a girl, mainly. you're
as a
saying.
boy also.
Boy
the
also
same-
don't.
They have standalone buildings. So many times your parents have to drive you to a
To a
park.
playing place, yes.
A society is a very posh thing abroad, but in India it's a very normal thing to
Yeah.
live in societies. It's like a safety
Yeah.
thing. Everybody
Yeah.
just lives
Yeah.
together.
Yeah.
And you have labor, so everyone can afford a watchman, like even which is sad, but also something that happens.
Yes.
But over there again, it's like it's not normal.
Yeah.
So when we moved here, and my mom, after I came back from school, was like, "Okay, now go down to play." I was like, "What?" I would take my cycle. I would go everywhere in Nerul. I started a tab with a grocery store guy. I gave him, and this was not a thing. I
Living
taught
your
it.
best life.
I taught it to my friends in India. I was
That's
like, let's get a
crazy.
tab. And they're like, what's a tab? We went to the grocery store guy. We gave him like some 500 rupees. And he was
Yeah.
like, just pay me as you go. I said, no, we want a tab.
Yeah.
This is like if you're suddenly introduced to a and you OD on it, basically. Like instead of being like
फिर हम वहाँ पे
gradually-
पेप्सी मारने जाते थे, which is what we would
मारने.
call it.
Did you have that cola? What is that? We used
Yes.
to have ice candy, ice lolly, whatever.
Ice lolly, yeah.
You pull the plastic and have some of that plastic
Yeah.
first, and then
Microplastics.
That plastic is still inside us.
Yeah.
I know that plastic ain't leaving anytime soon.
Dude, another
it's
funny
in my
thing-
DNA now.
Another funny thing in Dubai, I went to do some sports over there. So in India, before you start a show, what do they say? Keep your phones on silent. Don't photograph, videograph. Blah blah blah. In Dubai, before they start the show, they're like, "Hey guys, this is going to be a comedy show. If you don't like any of the jokes, please don't report us. Please come to us after the show, and we will say sorry." All right, guys, let's start the show. I was like,
That's-
whoa. That's it. Like this now, it's crazy over there, and only everyone has relationship jokes. That's all. Because no, you can't do anything
The
else.
last bastion.
Yeah.
You can say anything about relationships. That is
Yeah.
allowed.
Everybody has like a Tinder joke.
If you had infinite money, what would you do first?
First thing, with
Yeah.
First
infinite money.
purchase.
First purchase.
No way. Wait, this is crazy. What is the first thing I would do if I had infinite money? Man, I'm crippled by choice.
Yeah, this is the problem.
That's the thing.
Wow. Infinite money. Bro, I feel like I'd order something to eat to celebrate it. Like I'd get some ramen
You
or
don't
something.
add the coupon code, right? You're
Correct.
like, no.
I would
remove.
get Swiggy one.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. Missed you. I missed you.
Yeah.
I missed you. You apply. I missed you coupon code, and you give extra money. to them.
Increase the money.
Let's go get something to eat, guys. This is a good day.
Nice. I
What
would buy
would you-
Antilla.
Antilla.
I'd buy it from them, and then, but I'll tell them you have to live in the small room downstairs.
Yeah, in the parking lot.
That's
the
right.
park. Jeez.
We have to release this after I finish my show and end my.
They apparently have a house that goes inside also.
I'm sure.
Bunker type.
I just heard conspiracies.
It's gotta be. No, but it's fair. It's gotta be. There's no way Antilla ends on the ground floor.
Right?
There is no fucking
Yeah,
way. It's
yeah,
going
yeah.
till.
It's a control situation room is there.
Yeah, like 10
Yeah.
stories down, and that's where Anil Ambani
That's
lives.
where you get all the live feed of all the Vantara animals. You're
They've
like,
cut
oh
off-
shit,
they've
eagle
cut
one,
off-
the first eagle is dead.
Even 5G, 5 bars cannot go that far
Yeah,
down.
yeah.
It's like they've kept Anil there so that he doesn't email anyone anymore.
You have given his old Reliance CDMA phone. So that,
CDMA. Remember, he was the guy who got into phones first out
Yeah.
of the two brothers. We
Yeah.
forget that. He
Oh.
started.
dude, CDMA
Reliance.
was the long distance.
And it was the
couples.
masses.
Yeah, long. So it was free calls, right?
Yeah.
Free calls, any interstate, anything. So all long distance couple will have one small, like a betting phone. Like you see all these bookies have one, like 1100 with them, right? Like that one phone they'll have always like, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. It is a gamble anyway, relationship. It's like a gamble in some sense. But anyway,
Let's get into that. Why would you say that?
code division multiple access,
What is that?
CDMA.
Oh, damn.
Suddenly it came back from one textbook.
Yeah.
That information
Nerd.
checks out. These are real. These are
Comment
not
section.
props.
Shamik is such a hot nerd.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
All right, girls, tell me your 3 favorite books and why.
Yeah.
All right.
And tell me why it's Murakami.
And 3 books that I can read to you. Let me know.
50 Shades of Grey. Just keep reading 50 Shades of Grey to them.
Oh man, I'll have to read it. If I have to read it to someone, I have to read it, and that's what I'm against. I don't want to read that book. Have you read 50 Shades of Grey?
Yes, of course.
Are there 50?
No, it's very like basic. It's like your intro to erotica. It's like and it's actually like it's based on Twilight, the 50 Shades of Grey.
Oh.
The characters are based on Edward and Bella, but they've repurposed it. So it used to
To
be
a
on
normal
Wattpad.
life.
Is
matlab,
there the wolf guy also?
The wolf guy is not there.
Okay.
It's basically they took inspiration from existing characters
And put it in a corporate setting.
and put it in a corporate
there's no
setting, a
guy
modern
who
day.
gets
Yeah.
extra frisky on a full
Full moon,
night.
right? Yeah, full moon. He goes
That's how they
crazy.
get-
Double handcuffs.
He breaks the handcuff.
Yeah.
But interesting. So what is like, if 50 Shades is like the intro and the basic, let's say it's the Chetan Bhagat of
Yes.
erotica.
Yes.
What's like the, Sylvia Plath of erotica?
Yeah.
That's a little tough. I think even I don't know what is the Sylvia Plath of Wait, I think the thing is all of erotica is a little bit
It's meant to be
what
it is.
cheesy, a little bit cringe.
That's the point.
Like, Akotar is very nice. A Coat of Thorns and Roses. It's 5 books
Oh,
so
it-
far.
wow,
The
it's
sixth
got
one-
it's big enough to have its acronym.
Yeah.
Akotar.
Akotar. A coat
Akotar.
of thorns and roses.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds like the.
It's the same couple. Five books, same couple.
No, 4 books, same couple. 5th book, another couple.
Hey.
Spoiler.
But how
6th
big?
book is going to be another couple.
Oh.
But they're all in the same universe.
But they're keeping the passion up for 4 books, huh?
Yeah, because it, like for the first 4, it was for the first 2, it was a will they, won't they. And the third one, war happened. So it was a will they survive through the war.
Oh.
The 4th one is a little bit like now, like it was a tiny one. It was a novella.
During the war, erotica.
I mean, come on.
Yes.
Yeah? Love in the
Can I
time
tell
of
you,
cholera.
there
can
is a
happen.
scene-
Now in the time of erotica.
Yeah,
is
yeah.
not a-
Huh.
Sorry, there is a scene in the book where they do it in a war camp.
No, oh, in the trenches.
Yeah, and the author, so this is very cringe, but the author writes in the trenches.
There's no sound you should make after this that is acceptable. Go for it, huh?
Obviously, they're in like a tent.
Yeah,
and
of
then
course.
the author, there's a sentence which is something over the sounds of the wounded and the
Oh
bloody
my God.
soldiers,
Oh
which
my
she has
God.
been dragged for this. Like people are like, babe, this is too much.
But
Okay.
I get
But
it.
it's in there.
I get
Yeah.
it. No, as erotica, it makes total sense.
You're like-
and it's there in, if there's a movie, a Jude Law movie, The Enemy at the Gates.
Yeah.
Which is about 2 snipers, a
Yeah,
Russian and a American? Whatever,
British.
British
Yeah.
sniper. And there's a
Maybe.
scene where they're all in the war camp and it's him and Rachel Weisz get it
Oh.
on.
The mummy lady, right?
Yeah.
Big
Antrish is
crush.
Googling it right now.
Big crush of mine.
Exact timestamp.
Rachel, if you're watching this.
Yeah, Rachel.
Also, I read a
Shamik
book.
is single. Rachel, if you're watching.
If Rachel Weisz, dude, Daniel Craig is.
Oh, really?
is
Oh,
the
sorry.
husband.
Sorry, Dan. Sorry, Dan.
I wouldn't do that to you, Daniel. All right.
I thought she was going to comment.
I mean, and also I read a book, a science fiction book, where this guy in a simulation, it's not as cool because it's in a simulation, but war is going on and he would meet this avatar in this
Oh, it's
during
like Ready
war.
Player One.
Yeah,
Yeah.
during the war, while his army is dying, their armies are dying, they would be.
But it's a high tension environment.
Yeah, it's also the wrongness of it is the
no,
whole
but the tension,
point.
like the last thing I want to be in high tension is naked.
No, like forget the practicality of it.
Okay.
Like don't put there'll be obviously issues. The mother of all performance anxiety would happen
Yeah.
first of all.
My
Dude,
God.
there's so many people
Yeah.
around. Even alone, it's not always easy. But then there's people around. Holy shit.
And it's like, they're like, maybe we're going to die. So
Yeah.
they're like, let's do it.
There's the
Yeah.
classic if the world is ending like thing. Like
Yeah.
let's
See,
go for
they're
it.
like, already they like each other and now they're going to die. So they're like, "Right, let's do it then.
Interesting.
Basically, and
That's
as a
very
reader
interesting.
also, you're there because people are dying. So
Yeah.
they're like, I like doing sex also.
Yeah.
You're
There's something
reading
about
that book.
written in the written form.
Yes.
It's so much more pornographic than any video. can
Yeah.
be.
Yes,
'Cause
absolutely.
the description. I mean, I experienced it while reading non-erotica, but there'll be
Of course.
erotic
Scenes.
passages. I remember The Godfather, reading the book,
yeah.
and Mario Puzo is like, you find out, oh, this guy,
Yeah, dirty
this
bastard.
is a nasty guy.
Yeah, nasty guy.
With the kind of descriptions
Yeah,
he's
yeah,
put in.
yeah,
Of course,
yeah.
and it's a mafia guy having
Yeah.
sex. So you know it's not going to be like gentle or any of that.
It's
And
not gonna be.
my theory is the reason it's so much more like pornographic is because you are imagining it.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
you have imagined what is the most.
The-
Wait
yeah.
a second. So you're saying it's my fault?
yes.
Yeah,
What
yeah,
the
It's personalized
Thought crime.
sensuality. Thought crime.
Yeah. Thought crime. Yeah. It's
1984.
Like, yeah, it's like, and he'll describe things because he's Italian. It's like,
Yeah.
and then there was a vein running along his member that looked like the Roma River or whatever. Like, whatever.
And the vein you are imagining and the vein I'm imagining
Yeah,
is
different
different.
veins.
Yeah. I try my best never to imagine veins, but when Mario Puzo wrote it, I had to. It was
Yeah.
right there on the paper. And goddamn.
Is that the most sexual?
No, there's many.
So the thing that differentiates
What
a
Mills
book.
and Boone is like,
That's
Enid
also-
Blyton. That's like.
Yeah, Mills and
basic.
Boons is also erotica of some
Mills and
kind.
Boons is like our
Soft.
mother's generation of.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
got
It's
it.
evolved from there.
Okay, fair
Like
enough.
they would just say things like, and then they were one.
Oh,
And,
and
like-
two bodies became one.
But they describe it also.
Do they? I don't know. I'm not
Do,
read.
they do. It's the reason it's mother's generation is because of the gender roles in the
Ha,
book.
ha, ha.
Yes, very traditional gender
Yeah.
roles. Yeah,
And
yeah,
I think they just wanted like a man to take charge.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct.
And-
That's
Yeah.
the fascination.
They're like, whoa, what are dads doing?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah, 'cause
this is
that-
the female fantasy. Then.
Because the salesman who's been out all day and having erectile dysfunction leads to the woman fantasizing
Yeah.
this kind of, you know.
Yeah, it actually, you're right. It
Yeah.
tells you
That's
something
right,
about the psyche of
Yeah.
women of that generation.
Yeah, of course. And it's just a fantasy. That's all.
Apparently, like before, like now, Milkman, like not now, like before, we know
There
about
are
the
no
Milkman,
milkman, yeah. Oh, yeah, that-
stereotype, right?
yeah.
The Milkman meets your wife.
Correct.
Right? That Milkman thing used to be the Iceman. Because the milkman used to come outside your house and give milk. The Iceman had to deliver your ice into the house. So the Iceman would be in the house.
It's not the only thing he delivered.
Yes. So it was the before Milkman, it was Iceman.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, I had no idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah.
And then just when the erotica starts, I stop.
Now
it
it's
there.
pizza delivery.
No, yeah. Do all those, right? Do you see those things that people who dare like accepting pizza while being in a compromising position?
What?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
like they put it as a reel?
Yeah, they put it as a reel because obviously the pizza delivery guy is like, holy
Yeah.
what the hell? And they just like accept the pizza and like they say, okay, I'll pay cash and they'll open the door and keep. And this pizza delivery guy is like, and just goes and gives money.
Guys, I have to say, but what kind of compromising position?
Nude?
They're having.
So I feel like they're assaulting this pizza delivery.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
yeah.
they are.
Yeah,
So,
I
lot bit
felt the
actually,
same
if I
thing.
may.
I felt the same thing
But
while
it's
watching it.
But it's so. He felt the same thing while downloading all videos of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But is it really hot people who are doing it?
It's probably all staged, by the way,
Yeah,
which
fair
is
enough.
what you tell yourself also to allow yourself.
Otherwise,
to
I'm
down-
joining Domino's today. I'm just delivering pizza.
Domino's Island.
Yeah. Till the first.
30
nude.
minutes or free.
But yeah, that is on big. Like that's
Interesting.
like a lot of people have kinks. We don't kink shame here.
We don't king shame here.
Because, of course we should not kink shame.
Never
but
kink shame.
There are some kings we should shame, which,
Yeah.
Like this
which are
one.
obvious.
this one is crazy. Like
Yeah.
the public one is like, it's okay, Abhi, if you want to, but it's like, come on.
Yeah.
The
I mean, I'm not a big
exhibitionist
fan.
I
kind
didn't
of thing.
agree to this.
No, I get the exhibitionism of it.
Yeah,
like-
exhibitionism.
Like keeping the window open
Yeah,
and
yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
That's
You like?
No, I understand where that
Okay,
comes
I
from.
understand.
Ooh, let's get into this. Are you an Aquarian?
A window into my life.
You understand because you were like the thrill of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm saying I get where that comes from.
But why do you
I
get
would never, ever, no.
He would never.
I would never.
I have to close every window
I can-
and blackout. Blackout. So
Blackout
nobody should see
Blackout.
anything.
Since that, yeah,
Yeah.
that's my favorite position is
Yeah. With noise
I
cancelling
can't hear
headphones
or
and
see
no light.
anything. Okay.
Please keep the lights off.
Yeah. But if someone is too eager to switch off the lights, that you can take that as an insult.
Yeah.
Like, yo, why are you
Yeah.
running to switch off all the lights?
I'm like, please switch it out.
I get it. I get but it's the way you ask for it that
Of
matters. Because you're like, oh, please, immediately.
You like switching off the lights?
I like dimming them, yeah.
I mean, yeah, and not like stadium lights. I don't want like
What did you
Wankede.
You was the way you said it is so
Wankede
funny.
mein aaya booth.
Wankede. Full floodlights.
I think the more we can get Shamik to talk about
Yeah.
this, the more views you'll get on this episode.
Like, go ask away.
Yes, what is the lumens you need?
Lumen,
To-
I keep it like I have the Wiz.
Yeah,
Wiz,
Philips.
And I put the ocean setting, so
Yeah.
it's underwater. Though I'm an air sign, I'm underwater now.
Depends on who you are with, you know.
That's
You
true.
ask
I asked their
sign.
zodiac sign, and I'm
Yeah.
like, Oh, you're a fire sign. I light a match immediately. I pour petrol all over my house. Whatever it's about your comfort. Remember that.
Yeah.
You had some questions for us, Uruj.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Please set
sorry.
up what it is
Yeah.
also.
So now you have to pretend like you're only asking me this.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
I feel like
sure.
we can get a reel out of it.
Of course.
yeah,
Thank
sure.
you.
But do it one at a time.
Why are you handing us your phone, Uruj?
Guys, you had some questions for me.
Yes, we have some questions for you. We have some
Yeah,
questions
no,
for you.
you do the first one. That's, yeah.
11th February 2026. Okay, this is the first question for Uruj.
Yes, I'm so excited to see what two young men have to ask
Yeah.
me.
It's a very curated question list.
Are you on your period?
Dude, what the
The first question.
Shamik,
That's what it says. It says right here.
Shamik, what the Shamik, how can you
I've
ask me
been
this?
set up.
I came to this podcast because I saw in the comment section that you're a gentleman.
This is the entrapment of the highest order.
Shamik, how can you ask me this?
Yeah, go for it.
Hey, Uruj. Dude, I saw you today and I kind of noticed. Have you recently gained some weight?
This is really not okay. Guys, you didn't ask this to any of your other guests.
Because they didn't gain weight.
This guy. Oh, you're adding lines to it.
Ma, you're yes-anding this bit.
Do you plan on having children in the near future?
Would you ask a man this question? Guys, this is insane.
Men can't get
Have
pregnant.
children, yeah.
But they can want to have kids.
This is true.
That's true.
Guys, I really don't understand why you would ask such
I
questions.
just thought
This
these are
was-
like, it's the right.
I thought this was not like the other boys' podcasts, and this was a safe.
Oh boy.
God.
Listen, this is a safe
But still,
space.
boy, are you planning to?
Actually, if I find someone, why not? Are you guys though?
If anything, we've had a discussion. We've always wanted to make a safe space
Yeah.
for women to tell us if they're having their period.
Yeah.
That has been the whole point of this podcast. You can-
I don't want to have children. I want to adopt.
this is a good question.
Ooh.
Oh. Dude, I mean, dude, looking at all your work, I always keep wondering, how do you balance personal and work-life balance?
Yeah. How do you balance the two
How
balances?
can you guys think this is an okay question?
Is it not okay?
Apparently, so I was looking for like questions that people ask women on
Yeah,
red
yeah,
carpet.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, I got it.
Yeah, but you were.
I
yeah.
got- we got
I
the
got
bit.
them. By the way, it's just like it's fine.
He's like, this could have been my phone only.
Yeah. This is kind of, these are things I text my girlfriend. Like, how do you balance your work and life? Can you work a little less?
Babe, how
Rate
you're
the
so good at this?
professions. Cook. Assistant to cook.
Yeah. Party planner, wedding planner.
Party planner.
Kitty party
Midwife.
organizer. What else?
Midwife feels more scientific
Yeah,
when
yeah,
you put it in
midwife,
context.
yeah.
Soldier's
Midwife
wife.
is what I call a mistress is a midwife.
Soldier's wife is a
A
profession.
mistress
Oh.
is a midwife.
Yeah, this
That's
is-
funny.
Okay. This is my next question to you. Don't you think women want equality but expect chivalry?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm out of here.
Come on,
Yeah.
yaar.
I'm out of here.
Real question.
It's an insane,
Whoa.
insane
Please.
podcast.
Madam, please.
Do you have 2 more questions to ask me or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. Okay.
You know what? Okay, you know what? Sorry.
This
Very
is a good
sorry.
one.
Very sorry.
We will atone with our next
Yeah.
two questions.
Next
Gautam,
one.
please.
Okay.
It's the question on everyone's tongue. Are women funny?
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Finally.
Now, by the way, I just want to say the most amount of women have asked me this question on like
Yeah.
interviews. It's
Yeah.
Are
same.
women funny? Women are asking.
yeah.
Interesting.
They're like, yeah, this is the one we always get actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But,
But
has
maybe
it been
they-
answered?
But it was like in an interview setting, not
They
a
probably-
podcast
Okay,
setting.
okay.
But
I
like,
mean, they're asking it for views again. That's their whole thing.
They
And-
just want you to be a little agitated.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. They want the answer to come from a place of emotions, so that you say
Did this
something.
really happen to your case?
Yeah.
Like the plastic, it bent.
Yeah.
Yo, what have you done to this?
I didn't do anything. You should ask the next question. That's the best one.
It's not a question.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it is a question. You're right, but the question mark is missing. Can you? I'm trying to frame this in a way that it's not the thing it is. I'm like, can you make me a sandwich?
You know what, Shamik? It's funny that you got this one because I have.
Oh yeah, but yeah. I've also made you a sandwich.
Fair enough.
It's fine. We have shared it. Okay, you've done 4 guesses. Just to recap, You've done Pisces, Aquarian,
33% of all possibilities.
Scorpio.
So 8 are left.
Scorpio.
Yeah.
What was the other one? Scorpio. You remember the third?
Yeah, I remember. Scorpio, Taurus, Pisces, and
Aquarius.
Aquarius.
Okay.
I asked
Yeah,
you.
Taurus was the one. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Look, obviously I'm struggling. So now I'm just gonna. This one I'm just gonna. I'm just not Aries.
Oh my God, 5 down. 5 down, 7 to go. And just go for one more so we get to 50%.
Leo.
Oh my God. If you can now the goal is to get to 12.
Yeah.
Because if anyone can do this twice, I believe I think the number of possibilities you can reach the sun or something in that many
How?
steps or some
Wait.
shit. It's
What?
unbelievable. 6 out of 12.
But you didn't expect that. The first 4 were calculated guesses. These were just punts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are
The
just
first 4 were not calculated.
shots in the
You
dark.
asked if you like
What is a
plants.
calculation?
Yeah.
Guys, I have an internal understanding of the zodiac, and I was calibrating his answers.
It's just the external understanding
Was that insane?
that's not working out. You can tell what zodiac he's inside,
Yes.
but he's not.
I know.
externally that.
You know what? I'm probably guessing his chart. Like I probably got his moon sign and his rising, and his.
That's why they invented these things, so that you get at least one
Yeah.
of those right.
Yeah.
Oh, your ascendant is this.
You know what? 12 is too much.
12 is too many signs.
Why do they have 12 zodiac
Great
signs?
Only
point.
2 signs, right? Sunrise and sunset. That's
Great
it.
point.
2 signs.
That's
yeah.
right. You're a morning person or a
Morning
night person. Okay, so we have the 6 down. We got 6 2. We'll come back.
We'll
to
come back
I
to
can't
this.
believe there's 6 to
Yeah,
go.
now you're going to struggle to remember the signs
Sign
left.
itself.
That's where we are
Yeah.
entering now. We're entering that territory. But this is insane, right?
This is the dude. I mean, you're really bad at this, man. It's
I'm
like-
glad Gautam said his, because if you were guessing both of theirs, this episode would just be that. The
That's
whole
so
episode.
true.
Dude, that's. But yeah, I mean.
This is my party trick.
Dude, what's the trick? Like, reaching 12 every
How
time?
how to extend a party? It's like everyone wants to
Yeah,
leave.
right?
Hey
No, no, no.
guys,
I'll guess all your sun signs.
We did it at lunch one time with
Yes.
the Soho Theatre people, and
Yeah.
it brought the room together.
It really did.
They were all like, "She's stupid."
but it works only when you get it wrong. Yeah, if you
Yeah.
get it right, it's fun for a second, and then
Yeah.
we move on. But this is playing out amazingly.
I ridicule myself for other people to feel joy.
It's like a clown.
Yeah.
Feeling like a clown. You're like, oh.
I mean, this is our profession. We have chosen this in whatever way we can entertain. Do you call yourself a person of science?
Not in, you saw me.
I
You
mean,
think?
Yeah.
I don't. Do you guys think you're persons of science?
I think I'm a person
Yeah,
of science.
I'm a skeptic.
I'm a huge skeptic.
I'm an AI optimist.
I'm a
and
skeptic. I'm
human
only
intelligence skeptic.
I'm a skeptic tank.
You-
I'm just pure skepticism. I don't trust anything.
are an
Nothing,
A-
nowhere.
AI optimist, yeah.
I'm going to make a movie called Nothing, Nowhere, Never. It's like everything, everywhere, all at once is negative version. A movie I've never seen, but I've heard is good.
It's all right. Yeah, it's good. It's good.
It's a good movie.
Yeah.
I was just really surprised by how many times they changed their costumes. Because every scene they're wearing, because it's everything everywhere all at once, it's like she must have gone and changed so many
That's what you were
times.
expecting of us also in the beginning of the podcast. Like, you guys are not changing your clothes. It's been 10 minutes. What do you think about this culture of not repeating clothes that
Yeah.
celebrities have to deal with? Isn't that a little up? But I know you probably have to deal with it too when you're on the red carpet and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, like when I'm on the red carpet, which is I've never been. Like
Weren't you recently on the red carpet?
no, guys, they gave me like a corner room.
They
Like it
give
was
you
a
stall.
Netflix social
They give you
booth.
stall, lime
they
juice
gave,
stall. They
But
give
there's
you.
still the carpet. The carpet extends to the stall.
Yeah.
carpet was red.
Yeah.
But it was like I had a corner of a room and they were doing their trailer launch and then every like cast member was like coming in and then we were doing a
Sure.
little like
Yeah.
Junket.
Yeah, because I think you should repeat your clothes. Do you guys repeat your clothes on the podcast?
Always.
Yeah, we have to.
Yeah,
I mean, we
always.
run out
Yeah.
every.
Yeah.
I don't know. Earlier, I used to run out every 3 episodes. Now we have more options.
What is your relationship with fashion, boys?
Complicated. It's very complicated.
Yeah, it's very casual. Very,
Yeah.
very
We
casual.
are like
yeah.
on and off.
When did you guys first find out about periods?
So in school, in class 8 or something, where they took all the girls away from us. It was a co-ed school. They took the girls away, and then the girls came back giggling. And we were like, what is this? Why have we been left out? And then they wouldn't tell us. But one girl, one manic pixie dream girl came and told one of the guys she liked. And then that guy, like, told all of us that this is what happens.
I sixth, I think. I went
Sixth,
for one of those parties, the get-togethers.
One of those period parties.
Yeah, period party.
What do
where
you
like
mean?
they celebrate when the first period comes
What?
for. Yeah.
Which culture is this?
Yeah.
This is Tamil Nadu.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, so the first time, listen, so I went,
Great, it's all great. Culture is important. Go ahead.
Yeah, I went to a place and I was like, why are we here? Is it her birthday? And my mom was like, no, today she became a woman. I was
my
like,
God.
well, am I a man? I was like, no, you're a boy still. I'm like,
You are a
okay.
boy.
And then after that, she told me, like, that means periods happened.
But that changed everything for me. That was like,
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure it was hard for you guys.
Dude,
I mean, you know, the
every
burden,
month I felt the pain.
the burden of not knowing what it feels like, really, it's too much. The pain, you could argue the pain is more.
Yeah.
By never knowing what the pain is.
And the period really changed your guys'
Yeah.
life.
Dude, it's unbelievable. And even I go through a cycle of, like, there are 2-3 days in the month where I think about it and then
Yeah.
I stop. So I have a thinking about my about periods.
Very painful time,
cycle.
right? I'm
Which
just
is, yeah.
lying down in bed and like, how women are having
I
periods.
want to put
But
myself
men have a day-long hormonal cycle, apparently.
day long.
Yeah, like
No,
a
but
whole 24
I
hours.
have like, what do you say, times of the month where I can feel like a little bit
And
like,
yeah, you're like,
and I thought it was a vitamin deficiency.
that's what we all
Yeah,
say
I
to
had
ourselves.
iron tablets and vitamin B12 and all.
Do you feel like you're PMSing sometimes?
I feel like depressed, like proper like
Oh yeah, that's yeah.
for like
That's depression.
a
That's
week.
depression.
Every month, a week, I'm just like,
yeah.
Yeah.
I feel
I
it.
should just go back to day job.
I feel it in the daytime if I have nothing to do,
Yeah.
and then evening it goes away because usually we're going out to do sports or something. So in the daytime, if I have nothing,
Mm.
then the brain goes
Yeah.
places, and then it's
Ooh.
like
Darky,
ugh.
darky.
It's a bit You know, one thing I'll say though is that sometimes, like, all of this happens and I feel insane, and then the next day I go and I'm like, oh, and it's crazy how I'm just normal.
Yeah, same. It resets your brain, and also just stepping out of the house
Yeah.
helps so much. And
Oh no, I mean like I got my period and then I
Oh.
became normal. Like,
Same.
Is it that's because it's the what is it, a luteal phase, right? The one before.
Jinne mera dil
Luteins,
lute.
that's like
Luteal's phase. That's where
That's
Sheikh
where-
Hasina is right now.
yeah. Oh, that's the name you go with, not the ones who are officially there.
Sheikh Hasina is in her luteal
What is
phase.
luteal phase?
Luteal phase is the time before the period.
He's right.
It's when your I mean not
ca-
your
like
their-
just before the period, not the whole.
no like
phase.
a few days before the period.
Oh.
Your girlfriend has really taught you.
No, because
Oh,
I know her.
I
luteal
call it
phase.
party time. Just kidding. Just kidding, guys. Just a joke.
I know her. She tells me that I'm
Luteal
going through
phase?
my luteal phase. I will be irrational, and then she proceeds to be irrational. And I was like, damn. Now
yeah.
it doesn't work because you told me.
Yeah.
Interesting. But is that?
Little bit insanity happens.
Yeah, I know that. Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hormones.
and now I have the Flow for Partners app.
Ah, very nice. How sweet.
Yeah, not like consensual. It was downloaded on my phone and connected, and said they were like, and
you're-
it's just on push notifications.
What?
Yeah, your partner is now
And your
ready
phone-
to give birth. I'm like, whoa, no,
So
no.
for 3 days, your phone also behaves irrationally. You click on one app,
It
another one
overheats, it
opens.
overheats.
It's like, really, you want to open Instagram right now? You want to cheat on me with these women, huh?
You haven't
That's,
spent enough time with this app.
dude, that would be awesome if your phone mimics your partner. That'd be cool.
Your phone is hungry.
Yeah.
Interesting. I didn't know there's a,
Irrational.
okay. This is a good app, I guess.
Shamik
But-
cannot concede this.
But there is too many apps. Everyone thinks they can have an app now. They're like, just download the app. No, I won't download the app. Saying I won't download the app is a statement in this day and
I-
age. You know what you need to do? We need to stop calling them apps. This is the problem. Apps, the shortening of it has made it like a commodity. It's like, cool, get the app. It's an application.
yeah.
Say application. When you say application, boring. I hate applications. I
Yes.
have to fill a form. That.
Yeah.
So call it application. Next time you go to West Side or whatever and they like download. Did you get? No, I don't have your f***ing app.
Application.
Yeah. Application. Also, random restaurants.
Yeah.
What do you mean download our app? You are a random restaurant.
Why should I download
Yeah.
your app?
Why will I download?
Why are we adding this layer? I get why. They just want our data. Of
They just want a
course.
phone number. That's
They
all.
want a
They
phone
want
number.
a little phone number.
I refuse that also.
Yeah,
now.
I also everywhere I'm like.
But you can always put a fake number.
No, but then OTP,
OTP.
will come and all those things. That will be really embarrassing.
But then
Yeah,
how-
so say a fake OTP, and they're like, it's not.
no,
Put
but
a fake and you're like, I'm not even Gotham. And just a fake person and just run away.
Oh man, just f- around till they get tired of you. Then they're like, okay,
no, I
sir.
say like you put your number and then they generally.
Yeah.
you're like, is it 2345?
Yeah.
No, is it 7212?
This is like
Only-
your sun sign prediction.
Only infinite more possibilities left. I hate that. Also, all these clothes places take to get their card.
Yeah, man,
their
loyalty.
Loyalty. I'm not loyal to you. I'm
Yeah.
cheating on you. I'm telling you now, I cheat on all my clothes shops.
Okay.
I cheat on all of them.
I remember I went to H&M once to return some clothes and buy more clothes. And they were like, do you want a loyalty card? I was like, haven't I shown you my loyalty? Like, I'm returning. I'm only coming from here only. I'm wearing H&M. What else do you need? Why do you
Yeah.
need to formalize this?
yeah, exactly.
I
I'm
have.
part of the. I'm doing your brand work
Yeah.
right now. It's obvious.
It's your fault that you don't have H&M over here. It's like, here only.
Yeah. H&M is interesting the way they position themselves. Are they like for? What are they? Are they're accessible, but they also want to be cool.
They were fast fashion
Yeah.
before
It was fast.
Shein
Shein
and
took
Timo.
over.
Savannah.
Yeah, all the before the
Chinese one.
understood.
Urbanic.
Benic?
Urbanic?
Urbanic? That's also
Urbanic.
in that even your snitch is fast
Yeah.
fashion. But so it's all based
Snitch,
on
as seen on Shark Tank.
Yeah.
Yes.
But all just pure exploitative garments.
Yeah, there was this whole phase I had where I would just
I'm
tell
I'm wearing
everyone.
H&M, so I'm not
Same.
saying
I also wear H&M all
Same.
the time. This is H&M also. I would go through this phase where I would just tell people you bought new
Just
clothes.
shat on H&M like, but we're wearing H&M, guys.
I mean, what? We're going to be naked all the time? There's no alternative. Just buy less clothes is what
Yeah.
it is. Like, because here's the thing. Almost all clothes are made by children, whether you like it or not.
Yeah.
The adults don't make clothes.
Clothes. We don't do
Children
that.
make clothes.
Yeah.
So buy
Adults make
less.
decisions.
Just buy less so that some children are unemployed.
You think he's happy? Trump is happy.
Do you
Trump
think
is
he's
happy.
happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Dude,
think
he's
so.
like swindling the nation.
I think he's just purely like the closest to like satanic evil that we can come.
Not, he's just like a pure capitalist. Where he's like, the more money I make,
Yeah.
the better my life is.
Yeah, he's
so
a
he's just
wheeler
like playing it
dealer.
like a
Just
game.
just
Yeah.
pure economics. But you would think what happens is when you hit a certain age, you automatically drift towards, I don't know, either a spiritual side or you get more existential. Like we are getting, and he's in his 70s, almost
Yeah.
80s. There's something in that brain which is like acting like he's still, he's got a young man's.
But that's what
Right.
He's a narcissist.
He's a
Mammootty,
narcissist.
Mammootty,
Yeah.
74 years old.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
You're saying he should play Trump?
I'm saying that he's also like Trump and Mammootty. Oh my God.
Go for it. Not
No,
please.
no, no.
Yes, this is what I wanted. I've been waiting for you to alienate your fan base a little bit. Mammootty is bad, right?
Mammootty is great, bro. What are you saying?
Yeah.
You know who Mammootty is?
I have heard the name.
Dulquer Salman,
You know Dulquer
Yes.
Salman? His daddy. I mean, dad. His dad. Okay.
His dad.
His daddy, I don't know.
So is he a power?
He's
He's
a
a actor. He's a
superstar
legendary actor.
He's
Okay,
like
yeah.
Mohanlal and Mammootty are the two
You know
biggest
Mohanlal?
stars.
Yeah.
Heard of him?
I've
Just
heard.
draw Mohanlal.
Eminem, the two M's.
The two
The rapper has named himself after these two.
Yeah. Mohanlal
Eminem.
Mammootty.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Who is that, Mohanlal or Mammootty? See, you said it. I can comment on it. It's not wrong. If I said it, it's but you said it.
But won't your South Indian fan base
Your
become...
Whoa,
Oh, okay.
all right, bro.
No,
What are you-
sorry, sis,
From
continue.
Arabia,
no,
is
ऐसा
it?
नहीं है.
Are you?
My Arabic fan base will be upset with
Yeah.
my earlier comments about UAE.
yeah.
Yes, you're going to see a lot of galis going from right to left.
Love it.
Like, what's going on?
Been waiting for that.
Yeah. But yeah, you're saying you're South Indian.
But won't they be upset? Like, are you able to criticize
I
actors
mean,
of that
I'd like
region?
to think we've not even criticized.
Yeah,
really.
first of all, Kerala is probably the only film industry where you can criticize.
Oh.
Do you still eat Maggie?
Ach! 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 Ach!
How many times we have 2 more minutes?
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Yeah, so I'm-
Let's see. In terms of loudness low. That was
Loudness
very
was
soft.
low, yeah,
that
very
was a
subtle.
soft. That
yeah,
was
it's a theater sneeze.
to be honest, I think you are conscious because there are too many people in the room. She wasn't being able to
Yeah.
sneeze
Yeah.
at her loudest. But we'll give you a
I mean, loudness?
5.
6. Yeah, 5.
5. 5 for
Loudness,
loudness.
5.
Timing,
Very bad. It's like,
not
bro,
worse than the loudness though. We'll give it a what?
5.
5.
5.
Okay, 5 for
That's quite
timing.
bad.
And
And then physicality, bro. Oh my god.
I think we're getting a clean 5.
You are lucky that someone has a 0.
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah,
really?
Someone
Yeah.
has got a 0 already. So
yeah,
you're not.
the lowest. You
And
are,
don't worry, we're
and-
going to be very harsh with ratings going forward.
Yeah,
so
very
you'll
harsh
be
with
high
ratings.
on. It'll be in the middle of
So
the.
you're an average of 5 on 10.
Yeah, you're 5 on 10 for the sneeze. But
nothing
valiant
to
attempt.
write home about, yeah.
Nothing to write home about. Don't tell your family that you sneezed well
Yeah.
because you're not topping this.
Yeah, no, that was quite bad. If I come back like 10, 15 episodes later,
Yeah.
I get to
Yeah,
yeah.
retry,
You're
right?
new-
Reclaim.
And it'll be replaced. Like
yeah, we will
it's-
replace your
we'll
old.
replace it.
Yeah. Or should we make it like best of 2?
Yeah, best of 2.
Like if someone comes back and their sneeze is worse, the
Worse
second
then,
time?
yeah, that's what best.
Okay.
They're
that's
the
nice.
highest
That's nice.
place on
That's
the
a good place to be.
leaderboard.
So you can come back and redeem yourself for the sneeze. You could come back once and just sneeze and say, "That's all I wanted to do
Yeah.
for this episode." We are here. We are here at the end. We are here at the
Celebrated.
celebrated
Hey,
segment.
before that,
Yes.
wasn't this supposed to be our last podcast?
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Just we forgot to tell you this episode again, but this is our last podcast.
Yeah.
Because of your behavior.
Yeah.
You're not subscribing at the rate we need. It's very simple. The rate of subscription is not high enough to keep it going.
Yeah.
Let's not make any bones. Just
Yeah. I mean, let's stop it.
Yeah.
So what? Now everybody's happy, right?
You can't just say don't stop.
Yeah.
That's not enough for us. You
No,
have
fine.
to
We'll
bring
stop
people.
it. Let's stop it.
Just stop it.
Guys, don't do that.
Let's not release this only.
Yeah, don't leave it.
No,
What's the
what?
point? Burn the tapes. It's not. It's not tape. Whatever. SD card. Throw the SD cards away.
Format it. Format it.
If you're seeing this against our will. We have tried to delete all the SD. No, but seriously, if you don't get us to what number?
We said 20K, we'll go to a pleasure room
Yes.
and do a podcast.
We're doing a
with
podcast from a
handcuffs.
pleasure room with handcuffs.
Whoa.
Which is
Yeah.
like, who else will make such ridiculous promises?
Yeah.
Who wants to see Shamik in handcuffs? Like, share, subscribe.
NCB.
If you guys get to 100K, will
Yeah.
you kiss?
Someone will kiss.
No, you each
He'll
other.
kiss his partner and I'll kiss this
My
table.
partner, what are we? In a Western?
He's betrothed.
Yeah.
Or whatever that is called. Betrothed.
Dude,
His significant
if
other.
we reach 50K, Shamek will go on a date with one of the people in the comments.
No. That's not. You know what's really arrogant is me saying no, like we're reaching there any moment. Like, no, I don't have time.
If we reach 6.6K, Shamek will.
If we haven't crossed that by then this comes out, that'll be crazy. That'll be an embarrassment. So what? Okay, this is a good one.
Dude, we have to use your body to get more.
How many subscribers do you think we will be at when this comes out? Let's us try to guess.
It'll be at
This is like 4 more episodes.
8K.
8K?
I feel bad already.
No, I'm
8K,
saying
8K.
9. I'm saying 9.
You're saying 9?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if it's lower than both of these,
That's all.
Bye.
Shamek will kiss one of you guys.
bye. No.
Huh? Okay,
Kiss.
no.
I will retire from all forms of show business.
Girls, assemble.
And guys also. Anyone.
Guy also, hey, come on.
Everyone. All
Versatile.
people are.
Oh.
Everyone's allowed to subscribe.
Yeah.
All right? And hype. You have to hype the channel.
Yeah, hype.
Small channels you have to hype so
Yes.
that they become big channels. Then you don't have to hype.
Yeah, then, yeah.
Now we get to the celebrated
The
segment
greatest
of our
segment of
show.
all
The
time.
only segment we have actually. It's called Small Talk Different Year.
Hey, 1 second. Before that, guess his zodiac.
Thank God we have 6 more.
Okay.
Now, quickly, rapid fire.
Rattle
I'll go
them off.
quickly?
Yeah.
Rattle them off.
Capricorn.
7.
7.
Arey yaar. Gemini.
Oh! 8.
Celebrating.
8 guess out of 12. 8 guess out of 12.
How
She
dare
gets
you
it.
celebrate?
Right.
How dare you
Brilliant
celebrate?
stuff.
We've seen worse.
Yes. This is a clear improvement in performance. Like performance improvement plans.
This is what I should just tell you. See, I'm Gemini, but don't guess it.
Yeah.
Oh, I had to get to the then. But this is genuine. She guessed it in
Yeah.
8, which is again.
It's nothing to write home about.
Yeah, the sneeze performance was better technically because it was 5 on 10. This is beyond the halfway point.
Yeah.
But now we get to the actual segment.
The greatest.
Small talk, different year.
Oh my God.
We are now in the year 2002, and we will have a conversation. Let's go.
Did you guys hear the new track by Avril Lavigne, Complicated? It's a banger.
Yeah.
a banger, huh?
Avril
Banger.
Lavigne.
And it speaks about the times in many ways.
Yeah.
Wouldn't
Yeah.
you say? She's a real topical girl.
She's so
Was it based on like a real life event?
I don't know.
complicated.
Yeah.
She was a complicated girl. She said, "See you later, girl."
Oh.
See you later, boy. That's Skater Boy, actually.
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, man. I don't know about you. I just quit my job.
What was your job?
I was in Infosys.
Why would you quit now?
I don't know. I don't think this IT thing is going to.
This is gonna burst. This
It's a
bubble.
bubble.
Yeah. You know what you should do? Always have a logical, sensible, money-paying job.
Yeah.
I have 2.
What? Which one?
So in the daytime, I run a photo development studio.
Lovely. The negative, right?
Yeah, negative.
Yeah.
But you should have multiple sources of income.
Yeah.
So this will never go away.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
my bread and butter.
Bread and butter.
Of course.
But my actual second stream of income is the real genius.
Let me guess.
What?
Call center.
Close.
Yeah.
STD booth. I have an
STD
STD
booth.
booth.
Oh.
STD, ISD, PCO, bro. It's
Dude,
it's for
fax.
life.
Did you add fax?
Facts. I'm trying to diversify and
Yeah,
add
get into
facts
fax.
also.
Telegram also.
If
In
it-
10 years,
yeah.
you'll have an empire.
Empire, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully.
You're doing
Hopefully.
a good job.
Thank
But
you
yeah.
so much. What about you? What have you been up to in our year?
Not much,
2002?
just been chilling. I'm like really excited about our new president. I feel like, it's really going to change us as a country.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
APJ
president.
Abdul Kalam.
APJ.
I
Oh,
feel
yeah.
like he's gonna, his values politically will now live
Rub off
rub
into-
off forever.
Yeah.
That's true. I mean, I am optimistic. It's an
Yeah.
optimistic time.
Yeah.
Not everywhere, but yeah, generally we can
I
be
feel now it'll never change.
never.
Yeah, we are only moving forward.
Yeah,
Wings
there's
of
no
fire.
going back.
Yes.
Yeah, there's
From this.
nothing. This one, like, same thing with me. Like I was like, IT is over now. Like just like China is for manufacturing, we are for what? BPO.
BPO.
We are for call centers.
Yes.
Yeah.
I started working there. I'm junior call center executive. And just think about it, right? Now I can it can only go up because now
course.
everybody wants to talk customer care,
Correct.
right?
Everyone.
Everyone wants it.
Well-
and who's going to replace me?
Yeah, I mean, this is, if there's one thing that humans cannot be replaced in doing, it's this.
Yeah.
Getting on a phone, talking to someone,
Understanding
solving
their
people's
pain.
problems.
Yeah. And refunding them.
Refunding.
Yeah.
Refunds are forever.
Yeah,
and the
refund,
human
yeah.
has to be involved
Yeah.
always.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
yeah.
no refund.
It's not like automatic. What's automatic?
What is
Yeah.
automatic?
I have to use intelligence, right?
Yeah. I don't know what automatic is. What
Yeah.
is automatic in our day and
I
age?
think
Is there
automatic has
anything
been discovered.
automatic?
No, never.
Never.
Never. They started these new camera phones,
Huh?
but they're like,
Yeah.
Yeah, no?
it's bad. Like,
Dude,
who
a
wants a
Yeah,
camera
a
in the
phone
phone?
is a phone, a camera is a camera. Why? Just do what you're good at. Don't combine these.
I was
It's
thinking about
dumb.
this,
It's
guys.
dumb.
This might be a crazy, outlandish idea. Okay, what about? Okay, think about this as a phone. Now all these phones have keyboards, right? What about a big screen? Okay, and then a keyboard.
At the bottom.
Yeah.
Like all the keys.
Yeah, all the keys with tab, everything.
Like individually.
Yeah, or like a
Escape,
computer.
F1, yeah.
Dude, how
And then-
small is that? How will that work?
Yeah, and put a big this one.
So how big is this phone?
Phone will be this big.
What is that rectangle in your hand?
Yeah, it's a prototype.
Is your prototype?
Prototype, yeah. So
but
here,
this will be keyboard.
Yeah, so here
Yeah.
we'll add a keyboard.
Okay.
Interesting.
It'll be vertical. So you have to write like this.
Oh, I have an idea. If you can use this as a prototype and add a keyboard,
Yeah.
why not get rid of the keyboard and use this as your full screen? Why
That's
not
so
do that?
dumb, Shamik. That'll never catch on.
What the? What the hell?
Wait, how do you type something?
On the screen.
What, you can type on your TV?
I mean, why can't we type on TV?
Whoa. That's when you know that is the end of Yes and.
I'm going to go do some meditation now.
Yeah. No,
with my
man.
round glasses and
But-
Oh my god.
tuck shirt and
What do you-
polo neck.
What are you guys watching these days?
I am watching the news.
Yeah?
Evergreen. And you know what's happening in the news? I mean, I hope it's not a big deal, but
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
I'm in the second standard.
You're be this age.
I refuse to talk about it.
But where are you based out of?
In second standard,
Yeah.
based out.
I'm really excited for Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets.
Okay.
And what's going on in the news in India is none of my concern.
Interesting.
As a child,
Yeah.
Interesting.
but
nice.
you adults are free to discuss it.
Yeah.
We discuss Chamber of Commerce. You
Yeah.
discuss Chamber of Secrets. And in many ways, there are a lot of secrets in the
Yeah.
Chamber of Commerce also. So it's like, who's to say? Basilisk is everywhere.
Yeah.
But the news.
What?
Apparently in China, which is a country we all know,
Dude, our competitor.
our bros,
Yeah.
not bros, our enemies,
Yeah.
whatever. They have this thing called SARS. It's a virus, and they're
What,
saying
SOURS?
no SARS, SARS.
SIRS.
Okay.
SARS.
No, SARS.
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 So
SAR,
something. Oh no, SAR. No,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah. What?
Not that one. This is China.
Yeah.
No.
Wait a second. What does it stand for? One second. Hold on. Severe,
Yes.
acute,
Yes.
respiratory
Yes.
syndrome.
Whoa, give it to me. Give it to me, man.
Man,
This
adults
is
are
why we're
so
friends.
intelligent.
Yeah. Do you know full forms?
I don't know. I'm still learning.
UNESCO full form.
I'm in second standard.
United
and-
Nations.
Cat full form of cat.
Meow. I feel like I'm playing this game wrong.
Yeah. I mean, this is.
Yeah. No, but yeah,
one of
you were
the-
saying. Sorry, you were saying about SARS. What is it?
It's a respiratory virus. They are saying it's not a concern right now.
Okay.
But in China, people are a little worried.
Yeah.
And they're saying it could go global. Do you think a virus has the capability of going global like that? Come on.
Just shut down.
What is this?
Just
This is
lock down.
2002, dude.
No.
Simple. Just lock down, right?
Lockdown?
Yeah. Over.
Dude, this is 2002. This is not the past.
Dude, I'm telling you, my mom heard about this.
Yes.
And she was like scared about SARS. So what she did, and no one has SARS now because what she did, she went to the balcony and banged plates.
What?
SARS
That
gone.
worked?
SARS gone.
You have to drink kada
Kada.
Kada.
for SARS.
Yeah.
If you have kada, it goes away.
You guys are scientists.
Yeah.
This class 2
standard,
girl
huh?
knows many things.
My mom told me
Ah.
about kada.
Okay, tell some more things your mom has told you.
My mom also told me that next week we will go watch Devdas in the theaters.
Oh, nice. But dude, I don't know. You are watching Devdas. I watched Spider-Man.
Oh.
Awesome. I want more movies.
You know what I hate? They cut that scene where the spider web was stuck between those two towers. In the
What?
first trailer,
Huh?
there was two big
Yeah.
buildings and there's a helicopter stuck between them.
Yeah.
And a cobweb. They removed it from the movie.
I saw
I wonder
it,
why.
but I don't think it'll ever make it as a franchise.
You think?
No.
Spider-Man is
It's a
he's just
one-off.
not a compelling enough hero.
Yeah.
He's a one-off,
It's one
right?
of those one-off movies and it's done.
Then for decades we'll never touch it again.
You know what would be good? If they change the suit, the Spider-Man suit, to black.
Why would that be good?
Maybe
Like
he's
Batman.
like Batman. Give a cape and put horns here, and then get on a car.
I feel like you were on the cusp of a good idea, and then we corrupted the idea, and now it's not going to work anymore. But you keep trying. You keep trying these ideas. I wish India had a superhero, man.
Yeah.
But you know what I don't like about superheroes? When they cover their whole bloody face. Like, I want to see who you are.
You know the thing.
Just cover your eyes. But when will we?
We have a superhero, bro.
We have one?
We have one.
Ooh. Oh, he doesn't cover anything.
Yeah, Shaktiman.
I mean, he covers
yeah.
his body.
He covers his body. Dude, what a guy, no? That guy, Shaktiman.
I love him.
Man,
I love him.
Just
It's
He's
such an
great.
original idea also. Of
Yeah.
He works as a journalist and
Yeah.
takes off his glasses and he becomes
yeah,
the
and like he
superhero.
looks like a guy who will age like wine.
like
Yeah.
wine.
He's never gonna get weird.
Yeah.
Never, never. And it's never, you're never too old to spin in the air and become a thing.
Yeah.
You know?
I think all our heroes will never disappoint us. In 2002, I'm confident that everyone we
Man.
admire.
I don't
just
know.
watched
It's a
Woody Allen's
sweeping
new movie,
statement.
guys. Woody Allen. I just watched Woody Allen's new movie.
What is his new movie called?
I don't know.
But you watched it.
I watched it, and man, it's like he has like a way. He's so charming.
Yeah.
He's so charming. As
He's a family guy.
As a, he's a man of a certain age. But he's so charming And he has these heroines who you're like, this is surely not.
Yeah, it looks like his daughter almost.
Someone
Yeah.
of your generation. Like it's so unrealistic and also what an interesting choice to always have
Yeah.
a very young heroine.
I'm going to be in his next movie.
Are you serious?
Wow.
I auditioned in first standard and they
Wow.
said we need you to.
They said you're 1 year of acting prep and now you're.
Yeah, and now I'm ready. We go on floors next
And
year.
what are you playing? Are you playing
His love interest.
Love interest.
the romantic lead?
Yeah.
It's a career move.
Yeah.
It's a career move.
I mean, yeah.
I mean, I can't wait. It's probably going to get rave reviews by
Yeah.
people who turn their
It'll age.
It'll age well. The movie will age,
Yeah.
and everyone in the film will also age,
Age, yeah.
eventually. But
Yeah.
interesting. I heard.
But did he like? Did you spoke to him, right? Did he say anything like "you're like a daughter to me" or something like that?
Yeah, because that's a pickup line I've heard from him.
Yeah.
You're like a daughter to me. Woody Allen uses that as a pickup line.
Yeah. He's like,
I've been told. I
he's
don't
like,
know.
can you be my love interest? You're like a daughter to me.
Yeah. It's the same sentence. It follows. It's incredible how he confuses.
Yeah, he's a visionary.
He was trying to have me adopted by his wife first.
Ah.
But we were like, can we just do the movie
Yeah.
if you don't mind?
Yeah, just like
It's a casual.
focus on your career right now.
Yeah.
I don't wanna go into family
Yeah.
relations.
Fair enough. Fair
but
enough.
The NatWest.
NatWest series.
Yeah.
Is the final upcoming?
It's coming up in Lords.
Hey, do you guys wanna go eat a chicken McGrill after this?
Why not?
Oh, yeah.
Why not?
Let's go to the only McDonald's in Mumbai, right? There's only
Yeah,
one,
it's a
right?
McDonald's is such a luxury sort of
Man.
to eat in McDonald's. You take your whole family and only the rich eat in
I
McDonald's.
love it. When you buy a Happy Meal, you get like Michael Jackson cards.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
there's-
so cool,
yeah.
right? Like
Because nothing made
A child happier.
happier than Michael. Jackson.
Michael Jackson being happy.
I love it. There's one in Vashi. Woody Allen took me there when he was casting.
That's another happy meal.
That's
Also, the
happy
name
ending.
of the next Woody Allen film, another happy meal. Oh my god!
right.
All right. I think we
Let's
got
see.
it. Thank you so much,
I'm
Uruj.
so sorry for being so bad at
No,
this.
this
No,
is
no,
the
this is
the
how it
game.
all
Don't
goes.
worry.
We catch it, yeah.
It looks great in edit. Don't worry.
Okay.
And we got it. We got a
Yeah.
lot of content. Thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you. Thanks for
We will
having
be releasing this maybe a month.
4 weeks, yeah, month,
4 or
yeah.
5 weeks.
Do you
from
have
now.
anything to promote?
You have anything to plug?
I do. I'm going on tour
Yes.
in April.
Yes.
So I'll be on tour again. Please come watch me. It's the last time I'm doing this show. Then I'll put it on YouTube. But come. Don't wait for YouTube.
Yeah.
And what else? Nothing. That's it. That's all I do.
Okay,
Live
you're touring the
shows.
whole country.
Yes. One last round before
Okay.
we.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So come.
Perfect.
Got it. Yeah.
If you got to this point,
hashtag Gemini.
hashtag Gemini. If you got to this.
If you haven't got to this point, hashtag Taurus.
Hashtag-
Taurus.
Yeah.
Why not? And please hype the channel.
Hi, please hype. Thank
Hype
you
is
for
a
watching.
button?
Yeah,
Yeah,
hype
now
is a
there's a
button.
hype button.
on
Please
your-
hype the channel.
Thank you.
And thank you. Remember the subscriber numbers.
Yeah, you have targets.
At 6.8K, Shamak will make out with someone in the comment section.
We'll already be past that when this comes out. So I would have already made out. You just wouldn't know about it. All right.
Ciao. Peace.